This QR code is for all of you that watched my Quest 3 video on the TV all the way to the end. Scan this with your phone or tablet to compare and check all the best pricing for the Quest 3 and Quest 3 accessories. I would have put this in the original video had I known that half of my viewers would watch this on the TV. I really appreciate all of you who use my links before making a purchase. It's actually the best way to say thank you for that video, which took a month and a half to review, test, and edit, plus about $4,000 of my own money. Affiliate links is actually the main way that this channel pays its bills. If you clicked on this card at the end of my Quest 3 video on the computer or on your phone, then you can check the comments and description in this video as well for the most up-to-date pricing. Yes, this video will have very few views, and that's just because I have this video set as publicly unlisted so that I don't span my audience with such a simple and basic video.